Kia ora, ko Joe Masters tōku ingoa, ko awarau enua, ko Ngāti Whakaue oku iwi. So I've been carving for 14 years now, and it's a huge privilege for me to carve this patu onewa for the Māori All Blacks. This stone is onewa, most commonly known as greyweki, and this stone came from Kaiawa in the Hauraki area. Onewa was probably one of the main resources the Māori used pre-European. Obviously there was pounamu, but the next best thing was onewa. I hear the Pūkōrero first that's given to me, and I kind of feel it. Everything about carving's about feeling your way through it. So it was quite natural that we kind of steered this into a patu. This patu is going to the backs. The most obvious tohu I could think of was a peka or a native back. Most commonly known for its agility and nimbleness, ducking and weaving throughout the forest, using all its senses other than vision. Ultimately, the patu is a representation of mana in its purest form. Also, with the tohu being on there, I firmly believe that it's an atua that will guide them on the field and off. Ko koi ngā toki a hine tuahoanga, hanga e te whatu o pautini, ko paki tua mapu mai ora tau i rāpa, ko te rakuraku a tāwhaki ko te haemata, te āwhiorangi, toki nui, toki roa, toki haha. I reira tū wai te tokohorunuku, te tokohorurangi, te wehenga kia rangi, kia papa. Tūturu whakamaua kia tīna.
Tīna.
Haumie, huie.
Tāhie. Ko te reo, te take.